Coconut oil has become incredibly popular in recent years, gaining a reputation as a versatile and beneficial product. People use it for a variety of purposes, including cooking, skincare, and even hair care. Its uses seem almost endless. It's seen as a natural and healthy choice by many, often touted for its supposed health benefits and natural origins. But is it really good for your heart? This is a question that has sparked much debate among health professionals. Some people believe coconut oil is a heart-healthy superfood, claiming it can improve cardiovascular health. They argue that it boosts good cholesterol, also known as HDL, which is beneficial for heart health. Others, however, worry about its high saturated fat content, which is known to raise bad cholesterol levels. They say it might be harmful, potentially increasing the risk of heart disease and other health issues. The truth is more complicated than it seems. There are conflicting studies and opinions on the matter. We need to look at the science to understand the real impact of coconut oil on our hearts. Only through careful research can we uncover the facts. So, is it a tropical treasure or a hidden danger? Let's dive deeper and find out the truth together. Coconut oil has a long history in tropical cultures, where it has been cherished for its numerous uses. People have used it for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine, valuing its versatility and health benefits. It has a unique flavor and aroma that many find appealing, making it a favorite ingredient in various dishes. Recently, coconut oil has gained global popularity, transcending its traditional uses and becoming a modern kitchen staple. It's now a staple in many kitchens around the world, embraced for its versatility and health benefits. People use it for frying, baking, and even adding to their coffee, enjoying its rich flavor and potential health benefits. Beyond cooking, coconut oil is a common ingredient in beauty products, known for its moisturizing properties. It's found in lotions, soaps, and hair masks, providing nourishment and hydration to skin and hair. This versatility has contributed to its widespread appeal, making it a popular choice for both culinary and cosmetic uses. But what does the science say about its health benefits, especially for our hearts? Researchers are continually exploring its impact on health, aiming to understand its full potential. Coconut oil is high in saturated fat, which has been a topic of much debate among health professionals and nutritionists. This type of fat has been linked to higher levels of LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, which can be detrimental to cardiovascular health. High LDL cholesterol can build up in arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, a condition that increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. However, coconut oil also raises HDL cholesterol, known as the good cholesterol, which plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. HDL helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, potentially protecting against heart disease by preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. So, does the good outweigh the bad? The research is ongoing and scientists are still trying to understand the full impact of coconut oil on cholesterol levels. Some studies show a positive effect of coconut oil on HDL cholesterol, suggesting it might have some heart protective benefits. Others show a simultaneous increase in LDL cholesterol, making the overall impact unclear and highlighting the need for more comprehensive research to draw definitive conclusions. An examination of expert opinions. What does the research really say? Many health organizations recommend limiting saturated fat intake. The American Heart Association, for example, suggests limiting saturated fat to less than 6% of daily calories. Some experts believe coconut oil, despite its saturated fat content, might have some heart-healthy properties. They point to its unique fatty acid profile and potential impact on HDL cholesterol. However, more research is needed to confirm these claims. Large-scale, long-term studies are crucial to understanding the long-term effects of coconut oil consumption on heart health. Finding balance, moderation, and informed choices. While the debate about coconut oil continues, moderation is key. Including a variety of healthy fats in your diet is important. Olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of unsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. It's also important to focus on a balanced diet overall. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Regular exercise is also crucial for a healthy heart. Your heart health matters. Consult your doctor. Making informed decisions about your health is essential. If you're concerned about coconut oil or have questions about your heart health, talk to your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your medical history, risk factors, and dietary needs. Remember, your heart health is precious. Taking care of it should be a top priority. Stay informed, make healthy choices, and consult your healthcare provider for guidance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.